Hi guys, it's week 1 after I put on the second deep super. I just want to go in real quick and see what's going on, how they're making out with that. So, as usual, I'm going to go with the BGs first. That's a good sign. There are already some on the inner cover, so. And it's stuck down. Wow. So the middle one was the one that I brought in. Like I say, just a quick peek. They're drawn out comb. Uh-oh. Ah. Stuck to the bottom now. I see little eggs in this one. It's really hard to tell because it's a white background and you have to have the sun just so. I'm just going to get Chris to zoom in on it to see on the video if we expand it, if you're going to be able to see them. So, where there are eggs, the queen should be around. Oh no. So this was the one that I brought to the top, and it was covered with capped brood. As you can see now, the middle is all freed up. So those are all, I would say these are all brood that hatched that's now queens, because that was absolutely full of capped brood, like on the outside there. Again, I'm not worried about the queen because there's lots of action going on. Yeah, they're working away. Okay, these are just getting started. So I think by next week we should be able to put the honey supers on. That's amazing, right? What they've done. Hun?
Yeah, it absolutely is.
So these are the bee's knees. Again, this was our most active hive. I did end up squishing a couple of bees. Never a good thing. So they're busy drawing out comb as well. It's stuck to the bottom. Yeah, drawing out comb. This looks like they're mainly storing honey in this frame. It's kind of different, interesting. Didn't I already look at that one? No. Did I look at this one?
Yeah.
No? Of course, the sun went away just as I was getting into these. Yeah, this just looks like they're drawing out comb. This is the frame we added. And again, all the cap brood has hatched. You want to take a look? On this side, they haven't yet. Half of them have. See, that's kind of just half of them that have actually hatched on that one. And on to my Beelievers. These guys are just drawing out comb. Oh, these white frames are so hard to see anything on them. I can't tell. So this is the one we brought up. So they've in the middle, everything started hatching there as well. Oh, I found the queen again. Yay! So, right where that cluster is, see it? I wish I could show you with my, right there. Do you see it, hon? Yep. That's the queen. I'm glad I saw her here because I wasn't sure what was going on. It's funny, I've only seen queens twice and it's always the same one. Must not be camera shy. There, that makes me happy. Yeah, I think next weekend I'm going to put some honey supers on here. They're moving right along. I still can't get over thinking that we had a lot of bees last year. That really was the Beelievers. That's all I'm going to do for today. I'm glad that they're starting to draw out comb and get things filled up on the top level, so that's really good. Thank you for watching, and again, if you like, hit like and subscribe. Any comments or I guess concerns or whatever that you might have would be welcome, that you can share that. Thank you.